Y'all, we walking the track right now here at GPF. Somebody doesn't really want to ride because he doesn't like this track or something like that. Something ridiculous. He's just coming up with excuses, but to me, the track looks perfectly fine. This is good as hell. We had like the perfect amount of rain last night, except for like, well, overall, yes, but there's one corner over there that has like one tiny ass puddle and he tripping. That's not even on the track, so you can't say.
You gonna end up over here.
I think it's a good day to ride and a good track. Oh, now he ain't finna let me in because he don't want to ride. Come on, man. Take us over to Thor's spot. We're gonna go say what's up to Thor. He's out here. Hopefully he's not doing school. Rocking with the 125 today, shit. And I guess he's on his 250. Where you going?
I gotta go get quarters.
You guys are gonna hear a bunch of bees in the background. We got some kids training over there at MTF right beside here at GPF. You guys might not be able to hear me well, but we need to figure out what gear we're gonna wear for Moto Loco. We got so many options and different colorways. I don't know what to wear. Hey man, this is like the second time I done caught you sitting on my bike, bro. You wanna ride it or something?
I gave you $1,000.
Huh?
I gave you $1,000.
He tried to buy my 125 for $1,500. No sir! So we got orange, kind of makes sense because it's October. We can be looking like a pumpkin out there while we ride. One cool thing is this black and gray and white camo that we got. I'm really rocking with that. Oh, we got this scribble effect, dog. Check this out. You already know that bit too hard. You want that one?
No. Orange.
Oh no, I got this the orange right here.
Yeah, where it is?
Lit Kick gang, like he just said, man, if you guys want anything Moto Loco, want to check out their gear, you can get everything custom on their website. They got like bike mats, they got hella gear sets, they got some new stuff that just dropped, really sick color combos. Make sure you guys go check them out, man. They got some sick socks that we wear up under our gear, hella comfortable. Oh, look how clean the 125 is, man. I'm excited to bring you guys back with another track video. Feel like it's been forever since I rode this 125. It's been messed up with the throttle cable and everything, but we back in action now. I'm finna go spend some laps back here at GPF. Tired. Trying to keep the bike up and in place. Out here so slippery and icy. Did you go for it? This one?
Yeah, I hit it.
You did?
Yeah, I cased it a little bit.
What are you doing, bro?
What's up, dog?
I can have this?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Shit. Jace, we got some new pipes, huh? You guys heard how the bike sounded with the stock exhaust. I've had that on the bike ever since I got the bike, and you've been hearing it ever since. And you guys saw what it sounded like today. The bike sounds super good, super crisp and everything. But today is the day we're gonna somewhat change that up. We have a slip-on FMF for the Yamaha right here. A guy here literally just sold this to me here at the track for $60. Not a bad deal. Guys, this is the money spot for a GoPro. If you guys got a GoPro and want to hook it on your helmet, you put it right here up under the visor. It's the best spot. It beats on top of the helmet. That's whack. We don't do that no more. Just got to slip on. It's a shorty. Bro, can you turn the lemon off while I try and talk?
Lemon?
Hey, I'm gonna show you guys the size difference real quick. We're gonna put the stock one right here on the bed of the truck. That's that one. I'm really hoping it sounds way better. I mean, it already sounded pretty good. I'm just hoping it sounds, you know, either the same or better. This is the size difference here. So it's probably about, what, 7 inches shorter? Something like that. How's she looking, bro? Money? You can't even see the pipe no more. Let's look at it from this side. I think she look good. Now all we need to do is get the actual pipe. And then we'll be golden. I'm finna go rip it and see. I think it sounds a little bit pitchier.
Pitchier.
That's the correct word, right? It's got a different pitch to it. Dude, he's got so many things on that bike just clanking around. You can hear it. Oh, I thought he was gonna make it back. Hey, make it all the way back.
Huh?
Do it 180.
Bye.
Let's go, baby! Oh man, I know I gotta put this bolt in. Dude, every single bolt on this bike is loose. Oh my gosh, my goggles! I'm so bad at this. Oh my gosh! I feel like dog right now.
You look like it. You look like it. Nah, bro, you hit this pretty clean.
You almost ate crap.
Hey, that was smooth over there in that rim.
Yeah,
that
it was.
That was smooth.
It was clean, dude.
Where at?
Bro, that looked like,
Oh, that, yeah.
That looked like what Tomac would do.
I don't know, my wheels are spinning.
Sounds better.
Does it?
That's so good. Right when you jump right here.
Well, guys, I'm back on Cowie. Surprise, surprise. And your seat is hard as a rock.
You need to get a Honda 250.
Let me get a 450.
No, you would kill yourself on a 450. I mean, absolutely kill yourself.
True.
Right there, where you would have just went
If you
double.
had been on a 450, that thing
You
came
would
out
have looped your shit and probably broke your tailbone, and I would have been sitting here laughing at you saying that you should not have bought a 450.
A 450, bro, I would have quadded that whole thing.
Bro, you would have quadded in the hospital.
I'll see y'all later.
Two white gold, keep it lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like a Mary Jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's it, cause you know YV gotta get that.